Hey there car enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are super excited to introduce you to the Car Guys Tire Shine Spray. This product is a game changer when it comes to keeping your tires looking sharp and well protected. With our non-greasy, dry-to-the-touch formula, you can easily achieve your desired level of tire shine. Whether you prefer a high gloss shine or a silky smooth satin finish, the choice is yours. And the best part? It dries to the touch, leaving you with the perfect looking finish and no awful runoff sling. Not only does our tire shine spray provide long-lasting UV protection, but it also hydrates the surface to defend against harmful UV rays that cause fading, browning, and cracking. The bottle will last long, and the protection will too. So why choose Car Guys? Because we care about quality and customer satisfaction. Our products are made with the latest advancements in science, using the best equipment available. Every formula we make is mixed and bottled in the USA by hard-working Americans. And if you're not completely satisfied with our product for any reason at all, we'll make it right. So what are you waiting for? Say goodbye to dull, unprotected tires and click the link in the description to get your own Car Guys Tire Shine Spray today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more car care tips and reviews. Thanks for watching.